Now you ask me the question, why was Quran revealed 1400 years back? Why not before? You know my son, he wants to become a doctor. He's telling me, Father, Abba, why do you put me in school and college? Why don't you put me in medical college directly? I said, son, first go to nursery, then go to primary, then go to secondary school, then go to college, then go to medical college. I can't put him in medical college directly. Why? He should know the basics. Similarly, Almighty God is our creator. He kept on sending other revelations. Almighty God, our creator, thought 1400 years back was the right time that human beings could absorb this message. He revealed it. He is our creator. He knows better than you and me. 1400 years back, he revealed his last message, the Quran, to the last and final messenger, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And it's mentioned in the Quran in Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 3. On this day have I perfected my religion for you, the perfect form, and have completed my favor on you, you talk to the human beings, and has chosen for you Islam. After this, nothing new can be added into the basics of Islam, nothing can be subtracted. That's it. So Almighty God knows when we can imbibe the message of the Quran. And this is the last testament, last messenger, Prophet Muhammad. No other messenger will come after this. Hope this answers your question.